got the mower deck lifted up, gonna take a look at it. This is from last season. I didn't clean it before winter, and I got a lot of buildup in here, and the blades definitely look like they need to be sharpened for sure. So I'll get these blades off and get this old grass cleaned out. There's the Zerk fittings for each one of the spindles. That's the bottom of them anyway. You maintenance that through the top of the deck. There's the other one. Alright, let's get going. Got some wet grease in there. That's good. It means the spindles are staying lubed. So here I am trying to preach preventative maintenance, and I waited a year to clean this mower deck. Now I got rust coming in there. So don't do what I did. Don't wait to clean your mower decks. I gotta get in here and chip all the rest of this out. Maybe use the pressure washer on it, I don't know. But now you can see I got some rust coming in there. The grass on the outside is dry, but the stuff on the inside is still wet. This is still moist in there, and it's been clinging to the inside of this deck. So, all right. That's a ton of old grass that came out of there. A ton. Only goes on one way. There's one groove that's missing. You got all the other little grooves in there, and then there's one that's missing. Takes a minute to find it. All right.